Taxi operator shot and injured after attempting to disarm cop. Electrical technician ambushed and killed in Spanish Town. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A taxi operator who attempted to disarm a police officer in St. Thomas on Monday morning was shot and injured. Reports are that about 11:30 a.m., a police team was carrying out traffic enforcement duties in the vicinity of the Hope Road Transport Center in Morant Bay when a motorist was observed in breach of the Road Traffic Act. While the police were speaking with the motorist, he reportedly became boisterous, and in an attempt to arrest him, a struggle ensued. More details to come following further investigations. An investigation is underway into the death of an electrical technician who was shot and killed in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Monday night. The deceased has been identified as Jamaica Markland of De La Vega City in Spanish Town. It is reported that about 7:45 p.m., Markland alighted from a motor vehicle in the vicinity of the Salt Pan Road stoplight and was pounced upon by a group of gunmen who fired shots hitting him all over his body. The injured Markland was assisted to the Spanish Town Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. No motive has been established for his killing.